Today our topic is toolbar and status bar. So what is toolbar? These are the toolbar. So the toolbar contains frequently accessed function that is a subset of what is available via menu bar. So each one provides quick access to frequently used command, preventing you from having to navigate through a series of menu options. Like suppose if I want to cut, or if I want to save a project, I'll just click this icon instead of going to file and save menu. So the same way for cut, copy, paste, also there is an icon. I can just click here and then the corresponding code will be executed. And for undo, redo, and for to run the program also, I can just place it here. These are the buttons, and this is the combo box. Instead of beyond this one, I can have a label also, and I can implement using toolbar. I can implement toolbar using tool strip menu. So here we have a tool strip here. It will appear like this, and here we can have a list of items. Like suppose if I want as I have mentioned, these are the buttons, so I'll put button again, button. Here I can put a number of buttons, and I will this one set its corresponding image to different related items. And I can have this one label also, and split. For this split one, this vertical line is the split, and I have a combo boxes like this one. Okay, and progress bar, text box. This can also be done like text box. If I want to search for something, then I'll just put here text box, and then a button or a label to search for that text. Okay, and like when I click this one, the corresponding property will appear, and the name is tool strip button 1. And here I can change this one, the image. The default is that one, like suppose plus. Okay, and for the second one, you can put exclamation. Okay, and for the third one, I'll just change it X. Okay, and for the fourth one, the same way, you change the image, you import, and you browse your system, open. Okay, and this one is the combo box. As I have mentioned, here we have debug, release, configuration. I can just click here and type the menu. Okay, I can type it at the beginning, or else I can type it from here also. Debug, release, configuration. Okay, and here I have text box. Text box is the text which we can enter at runtime as well as at decide time. Here you can just write type your text here, and the next can be used for this text box. For this text box button, like suppose search, for searching, we can have this one, search icon. I'll import from my icon. I think I have my search icon somewhere here. Is here. Okay, so like this. So if I want to write this one, the corresponding code, I'll double click it here. I'll double click it here. Okay, just this one, just delete it. Okay, which one is okay? I'll double click here, and here message box dot show searching for your text. Okay, the same way for each corresponding option, I can just double click it and the corresponding code will be generated. Like message box dot show welcome to my customize toolbar. Okay, so when I run it, then here it will appear like this. When I click this one, welcome to my customize toolbar, and drop down menu, that list will be shown, and this button's action is not coded, so when I click it nothing happens. And here I can type my text, and when I search, then searching for your text, this happens. Let us this one maximize our Windows form so that it's easier. Click here and Windows state to maximize. So when I put it is maximize, then my Windows state will be, when I run my application, Windows state is maximized. So this is my customized toolbar, and it is just below the menu bar. And status bar is the is at the bottom. That is it is a horizontal bar that is displayed at this bottom section. So this is the status bar. So here we can have a number of things. We can display message for the user. We can sometimes display time also, and we can display like whether caps is on or off, something like that. So in order to create status bar ourselves, we can use status strip. I can put it here, and here is the status stripped. Okay, here status strip. So this like the same way, exactly the same way like the toolbar is added, we have the status here, the status label. Normally in the status we don't have buttons, so these are the four options: status label, progress bar, drop down menu, and split menu. Split is just this vertical line which is used to group a similar functionality. So this one is status label. You can have any number of label and any number of this one progress bar, drop down menu, etc. And when I in this drop down menu, I can put the type the sub menu as follow: A, B, and C, and D. And for this one also, from the property panel, I can change its text. Here we have ready, so I'll just put this ready. And this one, and for the second one, I can change second panel. And for the status bar also, I can write a corresponding code. So here, to strip status label to click, and I can put the corresponding code. And when I run the program, here, this is the toolbar, and down we have the status bar, and this is the drop down menu which we have created. And also this status bar and this toolbar can also be set at runtime. That is, I'll just add one more status label. The name is tool strip status label 3. I'll just copy it, and when I put form load, I'll just put tool strip status label 3 dot text equal to the current system time. Okay, and so I have this one here. We have 3 panel, four menu here. I can set this one is set when it calls the form load menu. So this is a simple example of toolbar and status bar. Just like we have added the items during design time, we can add each item at runtime also. So for that one, you have to write the lines of code, so it's easier to set it here at design time. So this is a demonstration of toolbar and status bar. Thank you.